Yep, I do. I hear it. So at that point, I'm gonna be like, I kind of want to correct that, you know? So is it before? Is it after? Where is it? I want to go in between for some reason, so I moved up the EQ, and then we could try different de-essers, but for that, I think I'm gonna try this FabFilter. Move this over. Audition. Let's see if we can even hear it. I think it's that sound, right? I don't think it's that high at point. Shots stay apartments from Raymond to the park. Bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck if it ain't come without an option. I think that's cool. Let's see. Posting pics at the functions. They speaking out a gang of 100 shots stay apartments from Raymond to the park. Bitch, you really softened it up, right? Like if we hit click the track now, if we press Shift A, we can hear everything off. Well, let's get rid of this because we don't need this. Disable that. Just these three. Let's see what we got so far. Like a whole posting pics at the functions. They speaking out a gang of 100 shots at their apartments from Raymond to the park. Bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck. It ain't come without the options. Nigga like a whole posting pics at the functions. See, now at this point, I got this. I should have had this at 0, but that slipped past me. But it's gonna stay there now. But pretend that was 0. So now we can make it louder. I would say with something else, not by turning the volume up, but more like an EQ. So any EQ, you can have some flavor to it too. Let's try this. Let's try like just try like a just do a FabFilter. I don't care. And then let's see if we could just turn up what we want. So we got to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck if it ain't come without the options. Nigga like a whole post. Okay, that just kind of makes it louder. Speaking out a gang of 100 shots at their apartments from Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck. And then if we turn some up, we got to turn some down, they say, right? Like a whole posting pics at the funks, posting pics at the funks, trying to get the city busting. Them niggas say, "Little pussy, touch your Glock and get a button." Just amigo from the city trying to turn nothing to something. Right. Just amigo from the section trying to make nothing to something. If you fuck around with me, bitch, I'll get the bussin'. And I think this is where it would be good to stay like in 3. Sounds good up here, right? And then I guess we could throw a de-esser at the end too. We've got this one, which is kind of tough. Bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck if it ain't come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the functions. They speaking out a gang of 100 shots at their apartments from Raymond to the park. Bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck if it ain't come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the functions. Posting pics at the functions trying to get the city busting. We could try a different one. Let's try sibilance, but I think I like to use that de-esser. Really do this often. I can hop into the truck if it ain't come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the funks, posting pics at the funks, trying to get the city busting. Them niggas say, "Little pussy, touch your Glock and get a button." Just amigo from the city trying to turn nothing to something. This one sounds pretty good, right? Let's mess with this detection. If you fuck around with me, bitch, I'll get the bussin'. Hella fucking diamonds on my chain, this shit is bussin'. I've been getting to my fucking. Oh, I like that one. Let's try with the de-esser. I can pull my pants up. Bitches wanna fuck me cause I'm running on my racks up. Carrots on my chain, all these bitches call me handsome. Choppers in the whip. Well, let's start there, but not so hard now. Fucking niggas, bitches, I be fucking them on camera. She wanna hop in the whip, she ain't never seen before. If I throw it, she gon' strip for the dollars on the floor. Got me soaring through these lanes.
Well, I'm trying to keep it underneath the hi-hat. Or I can go above it, I don't care. But whatever feels good. But around there, because it's in a hi-hat now. See, the hi-hat's all the way out. Could back up now. But now I don't want to hear no lispiness either. That's why I say some can go over. Let's turn them all off now. Turn them all back on. Now, I don't know, these are headphones. Man, this phone is buzzing. Okay, so then after that, I'd probably see with the chain we got so far: a Poltec, a Pro De-Esser, a FabFilter, a RVox, which I never thought I'd use as a compressor, which is crazy. Another little Pro Q just to give it some loudness. And we're just cleaning up after the compressor, not shaping, cleaning up. Just cleaning up after the compressor. So that's cleaned up. We shaped it before the compressor with some shaping, and after the compressor was some cleaning. Like that, especially at the high end. So I guess they'd say you can clean up, like if it had low end problems, I would have tried to clean it up with, you know, like a soothe. Like, let's just try to clean up some low end, just make some problems. Let's just make a problem. Like, later I probably throw like a soothe. And then just attack. Make sure I'm not messing with the highs. And then hit that thing. See what we can work with. If I want to do so, then I was like, okay, that's cool. Then you can back hit soft, or you can leave it on hard. You know, if we want to clean up some low end like that. Okay. And then now, I guess because we need like a little reverb or delay maybe, right?